Hello! Let's learn some colors. Pink color, brown color, orange color, red color, yellow green color, forest green color, sky blue color, purple color, blue color, deep yellow color, light green color. Let's draw 2D shapes. Heptagon, square, heart, triangle, octagon, oval, heptagon, square, heart, triangle, octagon, oval. Deep violet color, old red color, warm grey color, carmine color, salmon pink color, area yellow color, deep violet heptagon, old red square, warm grey heart, carmine triangle, salmon pink octagon, Canaria yellow oval. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.